Hello everyone, my name is Harish Solanki and I am here to represent a clustering using K algorithm in the data science field. This video is useful for data science students clustering, unveiling, unslide from data. K means algorithm. Clustering is a popular unsupervised machine learning algorithm used to group similar data together. Its work by literally assign data points to K cluster where K is a predefined number. Initializing, assignment, update, centroid, repeat. Initialization, randomly select K data point as initial cluster centroid. Assign each data point to the nearest cluster centroid based on distance. Update centroid, calculate the mean of all data assigned to each other cluster. Update the cluster centroid to the new mean. Repeat 2 and 3 until the cluster assignments no longer change or other maximum number. K-mean clustering, a simple yet effective approach. There are three approaches: partition data, iterative process, distance measure. K-means is a partitioning algorithm that divides data points into K cluster where each cluster is repeated by its centroid. Data points are assigned to cluster with the closest centroid. Iterative process algorithm iteratively adjust the cluster centroid until the optimal solution is reached. Distance measure, the algorithm uses distance measure typically Euclidean distance. Advantages of K-means clustering, a versatile technique: simplicity, efficiency, scalability. K-means is relatively easy to understand and implement, making it accessible for various users. Efficiency, the algorithm is computationally efficient, so particular for large data set, allowing the fastest cluster analysis. Handle large data set. In this step, K-means algorithm, how is it work? Step by step journey. First the initialize assignment, second in the assignment, third further update, further repeated. First initialization, randomly initialize K cluster centroid in the data space. Assign each data points to the closest centroid on distance. Recompute the cluster centroid based on the newly assigned data point. Iterate step 2 and 3. Cluster centroid longer significant. 1. Choose the optional number of cluster. The elbow method. There are three methods. Three in this: within cluster sum of square, elbow points, optional cluster. Within cluster sum of square measures the sum of square distance between the data points and their cluster centroid. Elbow points is the within cluster sum of square plot representing significant decrease in within cluster sum of square, indicating good balance between minimizing and the number of cluster. Optimal K, the optimal K, the elbow point suggests. On the another topic, implementing K-means cluster in Python. Scikit in Python libraries: Scikit learn library, fit the model, predict cluster assignment. Scikit-learn library in Python provides a powerful K-means clustering implementation. Import the library and use its K-means classes to create a clustering model. Fit the K-mean model to your data, specifying the desiring the number of cluster K. The model will automatically find the optional cluster centroid. Predict the use trend model to predict cluster assignment or new data points. Move on the another topic, evaluating the clustering result, assigning, accessing performance. Score, DIN index, Kleiner Husby's index measure the simplicity of data points to its own compared to other cluster. Higher Seleucid score indicate better clustering. Calculate the ratio minimum inter-cluster distance to the maximum inter-cluster distance. A higher Dinian index indicate the better separation. On the another topic, challenges and limitations of K-means clustering consideration. Non-spherical cluster, outlier cluster, initial centroid selection. K-means cluster within datasets where cluster are non-spherical shape or irregular boundaries. Practical application of K-means clustering, real world example. Customer segmentation, retail business can segment customer based on purchasing behavior or preference. This allow for target marketing campaign and personalized recommendation. Telecommunication, telecom companies can cluster customer based on usage pattern of to other plans and promotions. Image segmentation, medical image analysis, K-means segmentation image to issues of organ, aiding in disease diagnosis and treatment planning. Geographical analysis, the urban planning K-means used to identify cluster of similar neighboring based on vector